How to fix Spotify stuck in offline mode. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you can fix Spotify being stuck in offline mode. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's dive right into it. First, to fix Spotify being stuck in offline mode, you'll need to ensure your internet connection is stable and you have disabled your airplane mode or anything like that. So swipe down from the top right and make sure that you're connected to the internet. Then swipe down more and check if your airplane mode is turned on or not. So whenever you're not connected to the internet, it's going to look something like this. Simply turn your Wi-Fi on. And after you're connected, you will be back online. So if this does not work, you might have to try clearing out your app's cache. For that, locate your settings app, open it up. After you open up your settings, tap on apps, then tap on Spotify. Then there you should find storage and cache. After you're here, tap on clear cache. After you've cleared out the cache, you can then try to restart your entire device. Press on the volume up button and power button together. After you do that, you should find the restart option. Tap on the restart and restart your device. If even after that it does not work, simply reinstall the Spotify app, and that is sometimes the most effective solution if the issue persists. And that's how you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.